Friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well in your studies. Today we are going to study the topic neuron. In today's class, we are going to discuss the introduction of neuron and then the parts of neuron and their function with the help of diagram. So the introductions are: the neurons are the structural and functional unit of brain. It does not divide also. So next we will see the parts of neuron. So the neuron have three parts. First one is axon, second one is dendron, and the last one is cyton. The axon and dendron combinedly called as cell process. And the cyton have three other names also. Soma, second one is perikaryon, and the last one is cell body. Next we will see the number of neurons found in the human brain. There are approximately 86 billion neurons found in the brain. After that, we are going to discuss the parts of neuron and their functions. So, here is a rough diagram of neuron which I have drawn already. This part is called as nucleus. The nucleus contains the genetic materials, DNA. Next, the branch-like structure is called as dendrites. The dendrites are responsible for accepting the electrochemical input from the previous neuron's axon terminal. The dendrites are responsible for accepting electrochemical potential input from the previous neuron. Okay, is it clear? Previous neurons axon terminal. Okay, next we will see this part. This is called as cell body, also soma and perikaryon. In the cell body there are some organelles like mitochondria, the second one is cytosol, and the last one is Golgi. This vacant part is composed of two things. First one is Nissl granules, and the second one is neurofibrils. This part is called as origin of axon, and this is called as axon. It is also called as axon hillock. The function of axon hillock is transfer the electrochemical potential from cell body to axon terminals. The function is, the axon hillock is responsible for transfer the electrochemical potential from the cell body to the axon terminal. Next we will see the other parts. This part is called as myelin sheath. The myelin sheath performs saltatory conduction. First of all, I would like to explain you the composition of myelin sheath. The myelin sheath is made up of Schwann cell, and in this there is a fluid which is called as phospholipids. The function of myelin sheath is saltatory conduction. So the saltatory conduction is impulse, the action potential which jumps from one node to another node. The impulse action potential jump from one node to the other node. Next we will see the structure, which is like this. It is called as neurofibrils. Next we will see the terminal part. Before that we will see the node of Ranvier. The gap between the two myelin sheath is called as node of Ranvier. So the function of the node of Ranvier is, it is responsible for the rapid conduction of the nerve impulses. rapid conduction of the nerve impulses. Next, we will see the terminal ends, which is called as axon terminal. The axon terminals are responsible for the transferring the electrochemical from one neuron to the other neurons. This knob-like structure is called as synaptic knob, and in this knob, small bag-like structure is called as synaptic vesicles. It is bag-like structure which contains in it neurotransmitter. So in today's class we have discussed the parts of neuron, which is here it is neuron which is enveloped and it contains genetic material in it. Then here it is a branch like structure which is called as dendrites, which is responsible for accepting the electrochemical input from the previous neurons. It receives the impulses, and here the some space is that which contain the nasal granules and neurofibers, also neuroplasma, also neuroplasm. In the cell body, this structure is called as cell body. The cell body contains the organelles which are mitochondria, cytosol and Golgi. Here it is the origin of axon. The origin of axon is the place where action potential generate of axon. Next, here the myelin sheath. Before that there is axon hillock, which transfer electrochemical potential from the cell body to the axon terminal. Here the dendrite receives the impulses and the axon transfers that impulses to the terminal ends of the neuron. Next, here it is myelin sheath. The myelin sheath is composed of Schwann cell. In this myelin sheath, here the red shaded area is filled of phospholipid. The function of this is saltatory conduction. The saltatory conductions are the impulse action potential jump from one node to the another node, like this, one node to the another node. Next, this beads like structure is called as neurofibrils, and the terminal part is composed of axon terminal, synaptic knob, synaptic vesicles. The axon terminals are responsible for the transferring the electrochemical potential from one neuron to the another neurons. The knob-like structure is called as synaptic knob, and in this synaptic knob there is a bag-like structure which is called as neurotransmitter, which contains neurotransmitter and which is called as synaptic vesicles. In today's class we have discussed till here. I hope you like the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Thank you.